Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I have this Arabian style makeup look for you using the sleek Chasing the Sun eyeshadow palette. I'm starting off by using this medium pink shade and I'm applying this in the crease. I'm just using back and forth motions, getting the whole entire crease. And I'm using a fluffy blending brush for this. Now taking this hot pink shade and I'm applying this just under the first pink shade we used in the crease, and I'm also going to be applying this in the outer part of the eyes and then in the corners as well. Now taking this shimmer colour here, which is a slight red and pink mixture, and I'm applying this all over the lid, concentrating in the centre where we left that gap. Now taking this light shimmer pink colour and I'm using this for my inner corner highlight. Taking the Maybelline Gel Eyeliner, I'm going to start my winged liner. And I'm starting off by creating a straight line across the lash line and then going up along the tape, creating my first line, and then another line to join it up, creating a triangle shape and then filling it in, and then I'll just neaten up the whole line. I'll also be applying this eyeliner down towards my tear duct area. This is the NYX Epic Wear Liner in the shade Turquoise Storm, and I'm applying this in my waterline. Here I'm just taking a white eyeshadow and creating a line under the wing. Then using this purple shade, I'm applying another line just under the white eyeshadow that we used. And I'm also going to be applying this under my lower lash line too. I'm just going to apply some lashes now. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give this a thumbs up. If you enjoyed more of these makeup looks, then subscribe. I upload weekly and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.